Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to pre-fill a document using external IDs with the help of Zapier. So first you want to create a template. I've created one here, and as you can see I'm just pre-filling one text field, this person's name. So under the text field, when you're creating it, if you click Advanced, there will be a field for external ID. Here you will label the external ID for this field. This external ID refers to data somewhere else. So for this example, I am using a Google Sheet, and as you can see, this column is labeled Contact One Name, which is the name of the external ID. What will happen is information from this column will be pre-filled into this field in the document based on whatever contact is entered in SignRequest and in the spreadsheet here. So to set this up, we need to go over to Zapier, which is a free application, and connect your two applications. So Google Sheets with SignRequest. For the trigger, select New or Updated Spreadsheet Row, and then do this, Send SignRequest from Template. Click Use Zap, choose your Google Sheets account, choose the spreadsheet and the worksheet. The trigger column, any column is fine. Click Continue. Click Test to see if that is working smoothly so far and looks good. For the second part, we're going to choose SignRequest. Select your SignRequest account. Select the team that you're going to be sending the document from, the team where the template is located. So for me, the team is this Zapier team, and the template is Zapier Prefill Example. Scroll down. For signer email, click the Contact One email column. That refers to this column here. And scroll down a little bit more to Advanced Tags Prefill. Now this may seem a little scary if you're not used to seeing this, but it's actually quite easy. Just copy this JSON code here and paste it in there. If it's just for one signer, you only need to go up to this first comma here and do not include the comma. And then end it out with an enter and a close bracket right here. For the external ID, we need to enter in our external ID, which is Contact One Name. Right there. And for the text, it needs to know where to get the text from. So click the little plus sign here, and it pulls it from our spreadsheet, Contact One Name. There it is. So that looks good. Click Continue, and we'll test. And it looks good. So now I should have received a sign request because that was the test, and it looks like I received the sign request. Okay, and the text is pre-filled. Alright, that's it for that video. Hope that made sense. If you have any other questions, feel free to submit a ticket in our help center and look out for our other videos. Have a great day.